Hello everyone, my name is Cristobal Chavez and let me thank you all for staying here today. I'm going to talk about the new Music Planet Festival. So, let's rock! What is the festival about? This project is based on incorporating different music groups and taking them to a single event. In Chile, 60% of the population does not know other cultures due to the lack of resources to visit other countries. So, what is our object? Through this data, we can identify our many objects. We seek to show the cultures of other countries for all the people who attend this musical festival. And our fundamental goal is to be able to reach the general public through different communication channels, such as social networks, and to sell all tickets. Where will it be located? This festival will take place in the Centenario Park, located in Vitacura. It is aimed at people between an age range of 16 to 80 years. So what is the next point? Festival methodology. For the organization of the festival, we develop a methodology starting with construction of the project, approval of the project, recruitment and training, socialization of the project, monitoring the festival, verification of results, and the last step, writing the results report. Who will the festival be composed? Well, the festival will consist of 20 bands, 5 stages divided throughout the area, and will last for 3 days. So the staff will consist of sound technicians, electrician, staff, doctor, among others. It should be emphasized. Music Planet Festival serves as a help to all people due to the delicate moment we have to spend in these last 2 years providing outdoor entertainment. So thanks for your attention. It's been a pleasure to me present today. Have a good day and thank you all.